What's going on, guys? God bless you. Carlos here with Serranos Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. We'll keep this one short. On today's video, guys, I'm very excited because we are working on this Corvette. Customer just purchased it, only 800 miles. So what better time to get it protected? This is actually the 1, 2, 3, 5. This is the 7th or 8th car I have coated for these customers. So it's truly a blessing on the performance I have done. They believe in the product. So as always, I'm very grateful. But on today's vehicle, we are doing a we're gonna do a one-step paint correction on this one, and we are doing a 3-year ceramic coating. So let's get started with this project today. Let's begin with the wheels. Recently, I went to Mecum Auto Auction with my oldest son, Chris, which he invited me to go on this field trip with him, which it was truly a fun experience. While I was there, 303 was there. They were the main product that were there, or sponsoring maybe Mecum, I don't know, but they were there, and they had a sale for 2 items for $20. And in those items, I chose a wheel cleaner. I said, you know what, I've never used your products, to be honest, so I ended up buying this one and another product. But on today's wheels, we are using 303 heavy duty wheel cleaner. I actually was very surprised on the performance, right? Usually you buy products that say change color changing, or you know, they have iron indicating, and they don't do nothing. This one actually did do its job. It cleaned the wheels really well. It removed a lot of the iron particles that it could have, and it smells actually very pleasant, and it's also for paint decontamination use. So this is a 2-in-1. It cleans your wheels, and you can also use it on your paint, right? The price on this one, I really don't know how much it was, because I just paid 20 bucks for 2 items. But I'll find it and I'll post a link on that one if you guys want to use it. So overall performance, it did really well. A lot of iron came out of these wheels. The odor is very pleasant. It's not crazy. So for that, I definitely enjoyed it, right? For our polishing today, we ended up going with a Max Shine Reaper and a Rupes Yellow Foam paired with the Coach Chemi F6. And this is usually, as always, my favorite combo to use in multiple scenarios. Hasn't let me down. It does really well as far as a one-step correction, right? But it did really well. recently my wife surprised me with a gift package, right, for our anniversary, wedding anniversary slash birthday present as well, right? It's been a blessing being alongside my wife, and she always seizes to amaze me in ways that I'm just like, it just leaves me speechless, right? This year, it has always been a dream of mine to go to a certain place to attend a certain activity, and I'm happy to announce that this year I am going to SEMA. So I'm super excited. It's official. I received the all the paperwork, I guess, and this they send you this little I don't know what you call these, but like a necklace or a voucher, right? So I'm official. I have accepted the invitation to SEMA. So this year I'm gonna be at SEMA, guys. I'm super excited for that. I'm gonna be there November 2nd through the 8th. My birthday is November 3rd, so I'm gonna be celebrating it with my wife in Las Vegas. So if you're from Las Vegas, hey, email me or something. Find me on Instagram. I would love to meet you or even see you at SEMA. If you're going to SEMA, let me know. I'm super excited. I'm like a little kid, very excited to get there. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to just have this is going to be an amazing memorabilia for me, because I'm just looking forward to this and meeting new people, looking at different brands, at the new things that are coming out. So I'm super excited, and I can't wait to bring you guys along that journey. To my wife, thank you so much for this amazing gift. I'm so excited. My birthday's coming. Honestly, I've always never liked doing anything for my birthday, but this year I am truly I'm very excited. I've never wanted anything for my birthday, and it's just been a blessing, putting in the work, putting the time, and having an amazing wife like my wife, who makes my dreams come true. And it's for my birthdays, I never really want to do anything other than, like, I just pray and hope that everybody around me is more blessed than I am. But this year I'm very excited because I get to go to SEMA, and it's really I'm just so in awe of this gift. And I've never been to Vegas, so I just want to visit like all the foodie places, all these viral food places. But anyways, yeah, let's continue with this project. Alrighty, guys, this project is finally done. This thing looked beautiful already. It looks stunning now. But overall, it took me about 5 hours, I think, from beginning to end on this project. Overall, we did a nice one-step paint correction with the Max Shine Max Graphene ceramic coating, or graphene coating, which definitely made everything really nice, right? But I hope on today's video kind of I really wanted to showcase a little bit of the 303 brand, because I've never used it, and I gotta say, I was really impressed with that product. Really good. I'll find a link for it and post it for you guys. But yeah, 303 sold me on that wheel cleaner, right? As well as we use the Adams bug remover, solid bug remover as well. And overall, just the appearance of this vehicle. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. God bless you, and I'll see you on the next video.